Knowledge is power, and as we all know, the more knowledge we have, the better equipped we are to achieve our goals. By reading and learning from the experts in our field, we can grow and learn more about the things that matter to us. The importance of knowledge cannot be overemphasized. It's the foundation of everything we do in life. It is what allows us to think critically, solve problems, and make decisions. It is what allows us to make informed choices. And it is what allows us to build successful careers. The more knowledge you have, the more successful you will be. But that's not all. The more successful you are, the more knowledge you'll have. And the more knowledge you have, the more successful you'll become. It's not just millionaires and billionaires who are successful because of their knowledge. Anyone can become successful by acquiring knowledge. And the best way to acquire knowledge is to learn from others. There are so many ways to gain knowledge, whether it's from school, the internet, or from personal experience. The challenge is finding the time and motivation to learn new things. The power of knowledge doesn't just stop at the individual. When knowledge is shared, it can have a profound impact on the community, the world, and even history. There are so many ways to gain knowledge, and it's important to find what works for you. Some people prefer to read, some people prefer to learn through hands-on experience, and some people prefer to learn through teamwork. The important thing is to find a way to learn that works for you and to keep challenging yourself to learn more and more. Lastly, it's as important to share your knowledge with others as to gain it. When you do this, you're not only expanding your knowledge, but you're also helping others to achieve their goals. The world is a better place when we all collaborate and share our knowledge. The power of knowledge is something that cannot be underestimated. Not only does it help us in our day-to-day lives, but it can also help us in our businesses. The benefits of having knowledge are endless and go far beyond what we could ever imagine. One of the reasons knowledge is so powerful is because it can help us to solve problems. When we have knowledge about something, we can often solve problems that we may have faced in the past. This is why it's important to keep up with new information. Not only will it help us to solve problems we face currently, but it will also help us to solve problems we may face in the future. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to hearing your thoughts in the comment section below.